Spinal injuries, in my opinion, are probably the most physically painful injuries that a person can sustain. And it's debilitating because when a person is experiencing chronic pain, it has so many other adverse effects on the body. The damages that are available to a person with spinal injuries can consist of pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, past medical expenses that have been incurred for physical therapy, epidural steroid injections, surgery, things like that, as well as future medical expenses for those amounts that might be expected to be spent for future medical care. One of the particular problems with spinal injuries, especially when a person has to have surgery on that spinal disc, is that you're removing something that is soft and acts like a bit of a shock absorber to the spine, and you're generally replacing it with either a piece of bone or a piece of metal. So now there's a domino effect that occurs because over time it adds additional stress to the disc space above and below the one that was surgically repaired. I've handled spinal injury cases since I began practicing in 1994. I've tried many jury trials and judge trials over these types of damages to success and handle these types of cases daily. Working with doctors that are experts in getting my clients the most meaningful long-term relief in the most conservative possible way is always my ultimate goal. Sometimes the injuries are too severe for that to occur, and surgery is a last option.